Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. The reason that I don't look particularly put together is because this video isn't actually being filmed right now. I've already filmed it all, I just needed to add a little intro to it. So hello, welcome back, subscribe if you're new. Today I am here with a pack up my university room with me because I thought that would be fun and I kind of wanted to film while I was doing it, but I had a bit too much footage to go in a vlog. So I thought I would make a little video of it because I did a moving into university, so I thought it would make sense to do a moving out of university. So I'm sure some of you guys remember last September I uploaded quite a lot of moving to university vlog. Insert some old footage here. So today I'm moving to Leeds. If you're new to my channel you probably won't know, so I will just repeat for those of you that are new. I'm moving to Leeds for university. I'm doing a foundation course, I'm not doing an undergraduate. Let's move out. So we have now pretty much started, well pretty much done loading up the car. Just have these boxes left, then this is my bin with my fairy lights in it, and then this has some more stuff that might break in it, and then this is going to be my laundry basket, isn't it? It's raining, so we just got a few more bits and bobs to put in, and then I think we're ready to set off. There's literally nothing in it. I'm not going to film a room tour today, I'm going to film one, but obviously I need to sort it all out. Now that to me literally feels like yesterday. I can't believe we're already ready to move out, but because I documented that I thought it would be nice to document this too. So without further ado, we're just basically going to get straight into it. My flat has been a Unite Students flat. I have worked with them, I am working with them, but this isn't sponsored. I'm just showing you my flat in Leeds being packed up, so let's get into the video. It's time to pack up the kitchen and the cupboards. The realities of going to uni. This is what's left in my cupboard. Some Rivita biscuits, some lasagna sheet, peanut butter, pesto and sugar. And that is pretty much it.
Have you got any like wipes or anything?
No, my mum's helping me because we're boxing it all up. Tails.com, this is where we buy Lottie's food if you're interested. That's mine.
Kitchen roll?
No kitchen roll.
Nothing?
Nope. It's a uni flat, mum.
I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever.
So we're back in the room. Everybody is helping me. By everybody I mean these two. We're packing up. It's going to be so weird, guys, because I didn't even think about like not having this there, for example, because that is just part of my room. It's always been there, and like not having this up because I'm probably not going to put that up at home, but I look at this all the time because like this has like all of my closest friends on it. I literally love it. And it also had the puppy in, and this was such a giveaway, guys. When we moved into this flat back in September, this picture was in here because this was from when I went to, like when we went to choose Lottie. You can see she's literally like 6 weeks old here, but we hadn't bought her and I hadn't mentioned that we were getting a dog, and then I like vlogged this photo frame and a few people were like, whose is the dog, whose is the puppy? And I was like, tee-hee, that's gonna be our puppy.
Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna
So finding loads of hidden gems that I forgot I had. This has never been home because I got this since I was here. And then there's this. How do you get these home without smashing them? Like, so much stuff that I haven't even thought about, guys. Honestly, like, you know when you just think, oh, I've got quite a lot of stuff, but it's all the little trinkety bits like irrelevant cacti and mirrors, and I don't know how you're gonna get that off the wall. It's on command hooks, I don't know how that works. We'll take these home. Can you guys actually believe that this hand soap has lasted me, this one hand soap, since September?
That's the same one?
This is,
Are you a grubby person?
I have never rebought. No, right, honestly, this has lasted, because obviously I'm just one person, there's not really anybody else washing their hands here, and I went home every weekend. This just proves value for money when you get the bigger size, 66% extra free, 500ml for the price of 300ml. This means it. Maybe I just don't wash my hands enough. I also use hand sanitizer a lot, like a lot. I'm quite obsessed with hand sanitizer. Bath and Body Works Peach Bellini, always on hand because germs. Okay guys, my hair is well and truly just out of my face because I'm pretty much done. So I'm really quickly going to show you kind of like an empty flat tour. There are still photographs on the wall just because I'm coming back for 4 more nights across the end of May and June. So I'm going to bring them when I'm in my car next time, just because my car has the world's smallest boot. If you drive a Suzuki Swift, you will know you can fit like 2 travel size suitcases in it, and that is it. My dad's car we fully filled up, so we can't really fit too much more, and also I don't really want to completely strip everything off the walls because I am having friends stay with me like in June. So this is it. So this is the desk. You guys have seen this with the TV, the makeup, all of the books and stuff. This is what it looked like before. I've still got a mirror and a lamp, and then this mirror. We're gonna have have to swap to my phone. I'm so sorry about the audio. I know. Apple, if you're watching, let's make the microphones a little bit better. Here's my mum. This is the cabinet that you guys have seen proper full of like books and stuff. The essentials are still here though. We stand by the gin and vanilla Coke. This isn't even my alcohol. This is Eleanor's, but this is here. You never know when you might be back for a night out, you know. Nothing else but the essentials. This is the stuff remaining to go in the car. And then this is like, wow, this is a mess. That's what this is. This is my, I like to call this the wire section, where I've done nothing but overload all 4 plugs with extension cables and trailing wires for a full year. This is going to be like the last thing to come home, this and the map, just because if I'm filming in here again, this is the background I use. So I'm keeping these up. Obviously, I kind of need bedding on the bed. Then this is the wardrobe. This has been so full all year. I proper crammed this, especially with shoes. I had a full shoe rack here. Not anymore. And then on the top of here, I had like my washing stuff. I had a little Stitch teddy, had pajamas, all gone. All my coats. This was like the most busy section because I have so many coats and jackets. No more. This was here when we moved in, wasn't it, Mum? Somebody else's air freshener, not mine. Yeah, it looks really weird, really like empty. Okay, Mum and I are about to leave. My dad's already left. Oh, the quality on the iPhone. What the heck? I used to film on an iPhone all the time. We're about to go. You're coming back in my car. Oh my God, you look so little. Hold on. Anyway, yeah, we're heading back in my car now. And the time is, oh my God, it's 10 to 8 already. We need to set off. But basically, that was my wrap up of my room tour. You guys will probably see it in a couple of like extra vlogs throughout May and June. I will be back here. But pretty much that is my room packed up. All of the stuff from the kitchen's gone. We've taken all my stuff out the freezer. There's no food here. We're gonna head back to Beverley now. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
It's very dusty, isn't it?
I'm more concerned about where it's all going to go.
Yeah, oh my God, we've got no space in the house for this amount of stuff.
I don't wanna wake up. I don't
Yeah, it should
wanna
just go off the
wake
wall, but
up.
who knows? Oh, fair. Okay. Then we've got to get the command strips off the wall. Okay, it's time for me to attempt this one. I don't know how many command strips this is on, and it's difficult with one hand. Ah! Whoa, lol. Right, we're about to take everything down to the car. We've got the photos, the printer is like the heaviest thing, random other stuff, and then a little bag full of extras, suitcase, and then I've decided I'm just gonna leave the mirror here. This gin isn't even my gin, so I'm just keeping that there until Eleanor either wants it back or just leaves it, but there's not like much left in it, so. This is the official last bits. I've got such random stuff in my hand that I just couldn't find a space for. Tom's got my suitcase and the scratch map that was up on my wall. I also have my leather jacket because I'm very sweaty. This is the back of the car loaded up. We also have a load of stuff in the boot, but this is ready for me to drive home later on now. Woo! Thank you for helping. That is pretty much it, guys. I am now back home with a heck of a lot of stuff here that I actually don't really have any space for. So keep watching the vlogs to see what we're going to do about that, because we're actually having some funky work done to the house, which is going to be in the videos over the summer. However, right now, before all of that work starts, I am just living with boxes absolutely everywhere, suitcases, bags, stuff shoved under the bed, shoved in the wardrobe. Like, I'm sure if you've moved back from uni for the summer, you kind of know how it feels. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It was fun to put together and edit. I know it was only super short and just a little bit of a snappy video, but I thought I'd upload it anyway, because why not? It's kind of different. I hope you're having the best week. If you are, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I will be back with a vlog, which was my like pack with me, get ready with me for my holiday, which I'm currently on while you're watching this. That's going to be up on Saturday, so definitely go down below and subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified about that when it goes up, and it will be up at 11 o'clock on Saturday morning. So I shall see you guys then. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!